Greetings everyone, it's been a while, almost a year since we posted our last video here at Cruiseville Adventures, but we're going to remedy that today, even though my tripod camera holder thingy is so old that it won't tighten down on the phone, so it's probably going to flip. That's okay. So what you're going to see here behind me is some fresh mulch. This is Evergreen Cypress mulch blend. Found it at Lowe's and I'm using it. I'll show you why, because of the fancy technology of video editing. As I'm saying this, hopefully it's going to be showing you other scenes around the house. But we have a problem out here. We live on a hill. It's wide open spaces, and that means when the wind blows, it blows really good. Like we're talking 25, 30, 40 mile per hour winds a lot of times. And so we put pine straw down. There was pine straw down when we moved in. That pine straw blew away. We put more pine straw down. A few weeks later, had a storm. Pine straw blows away, as you can see from the magical video editing as I'm walking around, while you're also hearing my voice right here. So lots of bare spots where you just see the weed bare that was already put down when we moved in too. So that means we have to go and put something down that's not going to go away. This is not the cheap stuff that you can get at Lowe's and Home Depot when they have their sales, because that's dyed. I've used that before once, moved it back, and there was just mold growing all up under it. So I prefer natural stuff, and I don't know where to go around here yet to get like big loads of it. So I just put bags out everywhere, which you'll also see as we walk around the house. Now, a few other things. We're not going to get all the way over to where we planted some stuff with near the bird feeders and all. We do have to clean that up with some weeding, because our butterfly bushes had weeds just kind of grow up under them where the weed barrier was removed, so we can plant them. And we also have a rose that got rose rosette last year. We dug that up. We have one to replace it, so we're going to do that. And I think that's about it. But today we're just going to put down the mulch. I've already spread the bags out, so all I got to do is open it, spread it. I'm doing it real thick on the edges. Then we're going to go back and make the edge a little bit wider and more defined once we're done, but we don't have time to do that right now. So y'all enjoy it. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. And welcome back to Cruiseville Adventures. Oh wait, I forgot. Got a new hairdo. Got my hair did yesterday, which means bright sun, gotta wear my hat. You know I always wear that D4 Realty hat if I can. All right, let's get to it. How far did you run?
10 miles.
Well. I did 10 miles of mulch, I guess.
I guess so. It looks good.
You look good.
Shucks.
All right, folks, run out of time for this morning, but as you just saw, as we were walking around, that was the before. You could see where the wind had blew the pine straw away, and here's the after section we have completed. Looks much better. And once again, this is Cypress mulch blend, Evergreen. Got it at Lowe's, I think around $3 or so. A bag, which is not as cheap as the cheap stuff, but has a natural color. My hands right now just need to be rinsed off a little bit. There's no color on them. They're not brown or red or black or whatever color mulch you tend to buy that has the color that washes off when it gets wet. But yeah, looks really good. We'll go back and touch up any places we missed. But started here this morning and then did that yesterday right here on this side. We're gonna go around as they're working on the pool. Probably not gonna do that area. We're getting a new liner in and should be done in a few days. Then we'll go around there to the roses and some of that and weed all that really good and then put it down. Anyways, we'll have probably round 2 of this on the next video. Show you the whole thing completed as much as we can get. Hope y'all liked the video. If you did, subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. And we'll see you real soon. Good to be back. Cruiseville Adventures. Peace out.